Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Smoky Evening. Disha Patani controls Tiger Shroff's life. Is Disha Patani an insecure girlfriend of Tiger Shroff? Is it Disha Patani who controls Tiger Shroff's life? Well, current reports are saying so. Recently, a shocking news have come forward that Disha Patani controls the life of Tiger Shroff. According to the reports, the sizzling actress has set out some rules for the actor which he needs to abide by. Well, what are the details of the rules and why has Disha Patani done something like this? Let us know in the video. Both the stars are often spotted together at public events and award shows. They also get clicked by the media people several times during their lunch or dinner dates. Disha has been spotted several times with Tiger's parents and sister. Disha Patani shares a great bond with Tiger Shroff's sister Krishna Shroff. Though it is known to all that they are dating, the couple has never said anything openly about dating each other. In spite of sharing such a great bond with Tiger and his family, why does Disha feel the need of controlling Tiger? Well, recently popular news portal DNA has recently posted a news where they claim that Disha is a control freak. They have also written that Disha has been bossing over Tiger Shroff and has been controlling him. According to DNA, the Bharat actress has now laid down a set of rules for her boyfriend Tiger Shroff. In their DNA has written that Disha is Tiger's first girlfriend and he is crazy about Disha too much. The first rule that Disha has set for Tiger is that he cannot interact with his female co-actresses. To keep a track of Tiger's move, Disha regularly checks his mobile phone to see with whom he has talked. Disha has given permission to Tiger that he could only talk to his female co-star when he is on the sets. She has also made a rule that Tiger Shroff cannot like pictures and videos of any actresses on Instagram. One of the close friends of Tiger Shroff has said that the actor has changed completely for the rules and his friends are not happy. The friend has also added that Disha Patani is very much possessive about Tiger Shroff. Tiger's mother also does not like Disha too much as she feels Tiger has become distant from her because of Disha. These rules are quite shocking to know about in Disha and Tiger's relationship. Do you think these rules were necessary? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more updates.